The joint tool. Let's start from the empty scene. Activate joint tool. Joint tool intended to merge object into scene and snap between each other. There are a rich set of objects that you may place. It's pipes, different type of pipes, ventilation elements, other ventilation polymers elements, chair, and you may create oven elements as you wish. Each element consists of the model and the joint inside. This is the joint. You may place objects in scene, moving the mouse, and if you move accurately, you may rotate and place the model. If there are some existing models in scene, the joint model will snap to them. So you may start from empty scene, you may start from the scene with existing objects. Let's start from this corner. If we will press mouse once and will not release, then we may rotate the object. If we will press shift, it will rotate the object more accurately, more precisely. When we will release, the object will be created in scene. You may choose the shader for this object. Generally, objects may consist of several sub-objects, and you may assign oven shader for each object. There are two types of objects. First is rotatable, like this corner, and second is tileable, like this tube. If you will press and drag the mouse, several instances of the tube will be created. If you will select the model with more than two joints, you may change the first joint, rotating the wheel. Let's create something. Tileable joint models may be bent. If you press shift and move the mouse, they will be bent. You may set the step for angle and step for arc length. Or if you need, you may remove the step and place it as you wish. Any size, any angle. You may snap to existing joints. For example, you may bend it really strongly. Some objects may consist of more than one sub-object. For example, this part consists of 3 parts. Its base, and this is this element, and this element. You may paint them differently. If you will press Ctrl, you may delete the objects. You see the little hammer, and insert them back if you need. It's better to activate the volume, the initial volume. You may also change size of objects. For example, there are different pipes. For example, this pipe has different sized objects. If you will try to attach the tube, you see it has different size. So we may vary the size, decrease, for example. Let's try something with ventilation elements. And you may insert additional elements right inside between the existing joints. You may edit each element in the modeling or retopology room. For example, let's press, let's focus. You may add joints. Generally, joints model consists of the model itself and several joints that snap to each other. The size of model should be around 10. It may be twice or three times more, but not too much, not 10 times more than 10. Each joint has own coordinate, and there is important option for tiling. If you set tiling, that the model may be tiled and bent. If you will not set tiling, then you will rotate the model with shift, not tile. You may scale model and joint as a whole. Joints may be vertical or horizontal, but you should be very accurate with that options, because if you will bend model then and will bend it up or down, it will not be vertical and horizontal, or horizontal, and you will not be able to snap to the joint with vertical or horizontal models. So the joint tool is very powerful tool to construct the scene from snappable objects.